I'm Val Magruder. I'm from Hennepin County. I live in Minnetonka, and I've been a master gardener since 2014. I probably started my at-home pollinator project in maybe 2016. I've always really been in tune to nature, and the pollinators are a huge part of that. If we don't have pollinators, our food supply is not going to continue. Bees like plants that they can dig into, and butterflies like plants they can sit on. You know, if you pick native plants, those pollinators are going to come. I have a lot of people that walk by. We have a walkable neighborhood. You know, they'll ask me what a plant is, and I'll stop and tell them. If I was just Val Magruder here in my little neighborhood yard, you know, I mean, I don't think my knowledge would be as important, but they think because I'm a master gardener, that's really important because it came from what I learned through the program. And I love the education part of it. I had a note put in my door last year that someone said, we love your beautiful gardens, and admire them, and I would just like to know more about them. And that made me feel super good. Natives are really important, and they spread, and that's why I can share those native plants, and I can share my knowledge with other people, and that's a big part of what I love doing.